Doing good? If you're a content creator, I have the perfect platform for you, as I'll be showing you how to use Opusclip AI. This platform will allow you to turn your long-form content into viral clips using their AI features. So whether you're looking to create content for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, you'll be able to do that in no time. All you'll need to do is simply paste in your video link. After you have pasted in your video link right here, and it can be a YouTube video, it can be a Vimeo video, it can even be a video that you haven't uploaded onto any platform and you just want to create random shorts from your podcast or so on, you can do that by tapping on upload file, and you can select the file from your device and then you can upload it. Once you have uploaded the file, and by the way, you can get started for completely free. I should say that they offer a free plan which will allow you to process up to 60 minutes per month, as you can see right there, and up to 1080p rendered clips and auto reframe, and it also will allow you to get access to their AI captions with emoji and keyword highlighter. I will be leaving a link in the description that you can use to sign up, as their starter plan is also quite affordable. Once you're signed up, you will be redirected to a page like this after you have uploaded your first long-form content. For example, I uploaded this video. And by the way, after you have uploaded the video, you will receive it via email, and all you'll need to do is tap on view clips once you go into your email. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page. On this page, you'll be able to see your text, and you can also see their score ratings. For example, this is a clipping from my 5-minute long video, so you can see it right there. Now all I would need to do is tap on edit clip. After I've tapped on edit clip, I will be able to see the section of the clip that they had taken, and if I would like to make any editing changes, I can do that. So for example, I can tap on the text and I could edit the word right there. Or if it is a case that I would like to add a B-roll, so let's say for example where you see writing portfolio, I would like to add a B-roll. I could tap on portfolio for example, or I could select the entire text, then tap on add AI B-roll, or I could choose to add stock videos. For this example, I'm going to select AI generated B-roll. After you have done that, you can see generating B-roll right here. And to continue editing your website, if you'd like to add another section, you could tap on add section, and then from there you can choose where you would like to add your section from. You can also go over to the right hand menu option, and from here you will see different editing options. So for example, if I were to tap on clip layout settings, you can change the format. So let's say you would like to change the ratio from 9:16 to 1:1, you could do that. You could also change it to 16:9. You can change it whichever way you want. You can also tap on captions, and after tapping on captions, from here you can select the type of caption that you would like to use. So for example, would you like to place the caption at the top, in the middle, or at the bottom, or auto? You can select that option. You can also select whether you like to have animation on your caption. So for example, would you like the text to bounce? Would you like it to be underlined, in a box, pop, scale, slide left, slide up? You can select any one of these options. After doing that, you can scroll down. You could change the font color. You can also change the font case, whether you like it to be uppercase or as typed, as you can see right there. You can also choose whether you like the AI keywords to be highlighted or not. And you can also add AI emojis if you want by toggling on AI emojis. So you can see that there are numerous editing options that you're provided with. You can also tap on static overlay, and from there you could choose a file. So you can see right here, it has now generated the B-roll. If I were to play it, you can see how it looks right now. So let me carry it back. You can see the B-roll right there. You can also increase the duration of the B-roll or the duration of the clip, or you can cut down the length of the clip if you want. Once you're finished and everything is to your liking, all you need to do is tap on Save Changes in the top right hand corner. After tapping on Save Changes, you can see the changes is being saved right there. And by scrolling down, you can see the different sections that they had clipped, as you can see right here. Once everything is to your liking with your clipping, all you need to do now. So once it is saved, I will show you what to do next. For example, I could tap right here to download it in HD. So you can download it and then you'll be able to upload it onto any social media platform. You can also schedule when you would like to release your content. So you could tap on calendar right here and you can schedule when you would like to release your content by tapping on schedule posts. You can also tap on create from the top left hand corner, and again you'll be able to add your video podcast or any other clipping that you would like to quickly split up into clips. And that's it. That's how to use Opusclip, and it is definitely a good platform to use if you are a content creator. Thank you for watching.